Hey, I'm Jennifer, and I'm gonna teach you show you my progression in learning to play the ukulele. I've just got my own. I've been interested in this for about a year, and I borrowed one, and I traded some services for another, photography services. But recently I started watching Cynthia Lynn music on YouTube, and she's super easy. And so this is the second time that I've done this lesson, and I'm going to let you share what I've learned. I'll share with you what I've learned. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Little birds, they chime my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Still have trouble with G, but I'm definitely practicing on it. So just wanted to show you. It's not hard, but it takes a lot of practice.